JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 with a black diamond dial and diamond bezel custom on the diamond bezel and diamond dial. Reference 278240 base model converted to look like a 278384 RBR. I'll tell you a little bit about how we converted this watch from the base model to what you see here, why we converted it to the base model, from the base model to what you see converted here, and how you can buy it, and a little bit about the case bezel dial bracelet movement. Finally, try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with why did we do this? Well, the original version comes with just a regular dial, no diamonds, and a domed bezel, no diamonds again. The base model of that is less than $10,000, something around like $9,000 or so. And that reference number is 278240. The original bezel looks like this, and the original dial looks like this. So these two parts came on this watch originally. Everything else on this watch is original. What we did at Jazz Time is remove the dome bezel, as you see here, and replaced it with this diamond bezel that you see on here. It's a real diamond bezel. All the diamonds are real, but it is not an original Rolex diamond bezel. It's a custom diamond bezel. And the same thing goes with the dial. Instead of having this normal dial that with no diamonds on it, we've taken another base plate, wiped it, put back on diamond hour markers and the crown, and the result is what you see here. Okay, so that is why what we have done. And why have we done it? Well, we have done it because this same version, if you were to get it from Rolex, first of all, they don't make a black diamond version, but if they were to, it would cost you in close to $20,000, and we are selling this version that you see here for around $12,000. So that's quite a big savings, and you can get it in any dial color you want: black, red, blue, white, whatever. And so that's quite a bit of savings. Everything else is original, but it's kind of like changing the wheels and the paint on your car, and it doesn't make the car not original. It just makes those parts aftermarket, which is what we've done. So that answers why we've done it, because of the price. And how we've done it, the last question is, well, we don't do it right here where you're at our office, but we have a watchmaker that can remove the dials properly, remove the bezel properly, replace it, make sure all the gasket and everything is tight still, and then it's keeping water pressure, and of course the timing on it is correct, and then put it all back together and then send it to you. So that is how we do it. It takes about a day or two for us to put that together. Each of these are made to order, so we don't just have them sitting around. We have the base model and the parts, and then when someone orders it like you, then we put it together. Okay, so that is why. So now let's talk about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is 31 millimeters, thumb to my index finger. That's a medium size. This date just comes in small, medium, large, which is 28, 31, 36. Now we can do this on any of the model sizes that you want. The most common is 31, so that's why we've done it here. Okay, that's the case. The bezel, as I told you, is an aftermarket, which means custom. It's not Rolex, but it is a real diamond bezel. Jazz Time has put it on. It will void the warranty at Rolex, in case you're wondering. Yes, if you changed any part on the Rolex, it is no longer covered by the Rolex warranty, but you are covered by a 1-year Jazz Time warranty, and to be quite honest, these watches don't fail very often. In fact, every 1,000, you might have one that has an issue and that can be easily resolved. So not a big deal, but yes, the diamond dial is, I don't want to say exactly like the factory, but it's very similar. Okay, the diamond bezel from the factory costs, I don't know, $7,000. The one from Jazz Time is like $1,000. Okay, now let's move on to the dial. The dial has also been replaced. Here it's a black dial. As I told you, you can have any dial color you want: silver, black, blue, green, whatever. This one happens to be in black. It has diamond hour markers, and this is what you see. It's a custom dial, so that these diamonds are custom made, well, custom to this dial, and it still looks very beautiful, a very clean look. But yes, it is an aftermarket one, and again, it voids the warranty. The last thing is, you could actually choose one thing that if you like, whether to have the hands in white gold or in luminescent. Right here, they're in white gold, and that is more along the lines of how the factory would do it. But the luminescent is also not a bad choice because it allows you to see the watch at night, because that also could be a consideration. Many people wear their watch at night, dinner, just even to sleep, so they like to see their watch at night, and having luminescent on the hand allows you to do that. So we can also do that instead. It just means that we would choose a watch with an index marker to begin with, whereas white gold, you choose one with Roman numerals to begin with. Okay, anyways, that's that. Let's move on to the bezel, to the bracelet. The bracelet here happens to be a Jubilee. We could have done it in an oyster as well. It's so just depends on what you want. Not a big deal there. Let's move on here to the next thing, which is the movement. This is, since this reference is a 278240, it has the new movement. I think it's a 3255 movement. Okay, anyways, you can't see it, but that's what it is. Okay, let's move on here to the final thing, and try it on. Now, I'm a man, this is for a woman, so if you like this watch and like to purchase it, just simply click on the link in the description below. We can have it done for you in just a few days. And what are my thoughts? Well, it's a great way for you to get a more expensive looking watch for less money. And it is every bit a Rolex except for those two parts that I mentioned. Some people like to only change the bezel and leave the dial. That's also fine too. But at any rate, I think it's a great value for what it is. And we've sold tons of these, so I know this product does very well. Now look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.